Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of, what are we in? March. And we're giving away one of these items to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I really appreciate it. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Glam Light Dirty Martini palette. And such a fun one for March with those grains. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm doing pretty good. My son is home for spring break, and so I love spending time with him and with my husband and my son and just the three of us together. That means a lot to me. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Glam Light Margarita palette. And I mainly stuck to this shade here in the inner corner with this on top of that on the lid. And then in the outer half is this one here with this one on the lid. So just kind of these four shades right here for today's look. Something different. I usually don't do yellows. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. Want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do a lot here on the channel. Look down below in our current giveaways. There's a lot listed. Ipsy is beauty, makeup, skincare. The Glam bag is $14 per month. They give a makeup bag, and then there's 5 mainly deluxe sizes in there. Every once in a while they will throw in a full-size product in there as well. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking that out. It is in the description box down below, and it's just there for your convenience. It'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do if you guys want to use that code. So let's dive in, find out what's in here. If you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. Look at this pull tab. Look, can you see how cute this pull tab is? And the bag itself is super cute. I mean, it is bursting at the seams here with product in the inside. It does say Ipsy right here on this brown faux leather on the back. Let's open her up and get these items out of here. I mean, they could have just put this in the other bag instead of squishing it, and yeah. Inside is kind of this light blue satin color. Okay, what Ipsy says about this is this month we're charming our BFE, big feminine energy, with a glam bag design that will go down in History Women's History Month, that is featuring a beaded zipper pull and an abstract marble print in soft earth tones. This bag will inspire you to rewrite the rules. Plus, it's packed with botanical skincare, must-have, makeup, and more. First thing in here is from Glow Recipe. It is a Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. It is obviously a deluxe sample. Give your parched skin a much-needed gulp. This hydrating, clarifying toner, it uses watermelon, cucumber, and cactus water to help replenish the skin, while polyhydroxy acid and willow bark help to unclog your pores, leaving your skin looking smooth and supple. So after cleansing, pour the toner into your palms and pat it onto your skin. Anything to replenish this dry skin? Yes, please. From Jasmine Beauty is a Coastal Chic Shine Control Primer. It is a deluxe mini. Searching for something to keep the oil and shine at bay? Not really, I don't have oil, don't have shine. This lightweight face primer helps create the perfect canvas for a flawless base, all while minimizing shine and controlling oil so you don't look like a glazed donut. It's not for everyone. Spread a thin layer of the primer onto your clean, moisturized skin and follow with foundation or concealer. Like I said, my skin's more on the combo drier side. So I am going to either put this in today's giveaway or a future one. Here we have Shades by Sean. It's a Life at the Party Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. This is full size and it does retail for $20. Ready to turn it up a notch? This eyeshadow palette knows all about that. Whether you're going for a natural look or all about out glam, this range of velvety smooth mattes and multi-dimensional shimmers will help you create something gorgeous. This could be really pretty. I do wish that there was a light shimmer in here as well, but it could be really pretty. So pack the matte shadows into your lids and blend out using a fluffy brush. Then pack the shimmer shades in the center of your lid using a flat, dense brush. That's really pretty. So this one is a shimmer and the rest are all mattes. Pacifica Beauty Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. It says a deluxe mini, but I mean, look at the size of this. It's still a really good size. It's 40 milliliters, 1.4 ounce. It is a face wash. The first step to activating glowy skin. Keep it cleansed and smooth, of course. This brightening face wash is powered by alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, and vitamin C to gently exfoliate and cleanse your skin so you're left with a more fresh, smooth, and a radiant complexion. Massage a small amount into the cleanser over your damp skin and then rinse. I need to try this one. And then we have the box that they totally squished. It's a Dermafirm Smoothing Repair Toning Serum. Should be easy to get out since it's obviously a deluxe mini serum and ready to step into your most radiant skin. This repairing serum is infused with botanical wonders like eucalyptus, peptides, and niacinamide to target skin concerns like age spots and breakouts while also delivering much needed hydration and vitamins. You're left with a more luminous, hydrated, and clearer looking complexion. So morning and night, gently massage the serum into your cleansed skin and top your face with fingertips for better absorption. Yes, please. Firmer lift would be nice. Yes, please. Secret word of the day is lucky. So what did you guys think? What did you guys think? I think that it was pretty good. This one obviously couldn't work for me. I really like that eyeshadow and everything else I really liked. So let's give away that that primer that controls your oil from Jasmine Beauty to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and also that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them because I do check and you don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 ways for bonus entries are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, AMA followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends, on your social media accounts, all that kind of jazz. really helps with the channel when you guys do that. And I just wanted a way to say thank you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am then not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through April 12th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on April 17th, what I'll do is I will take from all the Google forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on the bonus entries, I'll take first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins it all around. I don't, so don't has to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It just makes it easier for me to mail out the prize to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day, you guys. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!